Welcome to Present Trade tutorial on navigating the Foxit eSign interface. Begin by visiting the Foxit eSign website and logging in. On your dashboard, you'll notice on the left side the remaining days of your subscription and on the right, the count of envelopes available for you and your team to sign. The central part of the interface displays the number of documents pending your signature, awaiting others' signatures, drafts, and completed documents. You can also upload files directly from this area using the Upload File button. To customize your interface and other settings, click on the Settings icon. Here, you can select specific settings to edit from the menu on the left. Within the first icon on the left, you will see multiple tabs such as Company, Security, Notifications, and more. Under the Company tab, you can enter your company's name, address, operational timings, and language. This information can be automatically included in your future signatures, eliminating the need for manual edits each time. Remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Under the Document Template tab, you can modify the font size, date format, and other preferences. The Custom Branding tab allows you to add your company's logo to the interface, personalizing your workspace. For example, after uploading the Present Trade logo, it will appear automatically as your interface logo. In the second icon, you have the option to alter the color scheme of the interface to your preference. The third icon lets you manage all user accounts within your company, displaying details like their email address, status, and last login. If you need to add multiple users at once, you can use the Add from Excel button to import an Excel sheet with all your team members' information. The fourth icon pertains to your external contacts like customers or suppliers who are not part of your team but with whom you sign contracts. You can add them all at once using a similar bulk upload feature. Under the next icon, you can review all your email notifications along with their corresponding dates. This feature allows you to see all the actions taken on your templates and when they occurred. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.